Welcome to a video by Abron. This is a capsule filling and sealing machine. In this video I am going to tell you the problems which you can face or the solutions which you have to see. If this plate is a top plate, you can see this is movable. And when the capsules are to be put here, this will be in place, which is almost similar to the below plate. But the difference is this is movable. When you move it moves up and down. Fill the capsules with the cap and the bottom on this, and then you have to lock it. See, this eccentric is there. Inside also you can see the inside. I show you. I can remove this and show you. This is lockable. You see this lockable tray. This will lock the capsules. You should not push it to the end so that the capsule may break. Just push it so that it is just held in place. Not very hard, so that then you have to fill the medicine using this brush or spatula or by any other thing, and then you have to push it back. You can put the lever, or with the lever you have to push the medicine inside the capsule, filling it to the top. But take care, this plate is not there. Let us say this plate is there. This cannot be pushed because you can see the alignment is not there. Is not this. Take care. This should not be, plate should not be there if you have to push it, or you push it to the limit, the pins will break. It should always be removed and then push it, lock it, and then remove it, and then again you have to push it, release this, push this is for locking, and then you have to lock it with the capsules so that they are locked. Release them and then release and then take it out. Take it. These are the problems which it tells. The first thing is never cover it with this plate. This can break all of them. And when you have to use this, it should be removed from here. And if you have to push this you can see there is a gap. So it should always be here, and then you have to push it so that this is the lock here. You have to, so that the capsules are locked, and then you have to, this is only a pad which is to be, the cycle is very easy. Pins without this and plate with this. So take care. I think you can understand this. Please visit the website and subscribe to our channel Abron Exports. We have got all the pharmacy and demonstration instruments and teaching pharmacy instruments. Please visit the website. We have got industrial items also. Thank you very much.